Going straight to these pictures of the roadshow that is being held in Ahmedabad right now. Home Minister Amit Shah has arrived. That's what we know. Let's take a listen. The Home Minister there, Amit Shah, greeting the cadre of the Bharatiya Janata Party. The workers have gathered there to meet him at the roadshow today. Remember, this just in fact before he files for his nominations, addressing a roadshow today, addressing a public meeting as well, before filing his nomination from the Gandhi Nagar seat. Paulami Saha is with us. The Home Minister has now arrived for his roadshow. Paulami, just take us through what you see around you.
Right, Amit Shah has just arrived for his roadshow. He's about to get on the truck, Sneha, where he will begin campaigning in his constituency, Gandhinagar, from where, of course, the BJP has re-announced him as candidate for the Bharatiya Janata Party. They do want to, of course, ensure a massive victory for Amit Shah. So huge, support over here for Amit Shah. He has been in the constituency all of yesterday on Ram Navami when the party chose to have no campaigns. He spent the day in his constituency, going around, meeting people, holding meetings with the party partners as well, sitting down, strategizing with them. Obviously, about the larger strategy of Gujarat and not just about his constituency, because he's absolutely confident, as is the BJP Karyakarta over here, that Amit Shah will emerge victorious over here. It is about the victory margin that he hopes will be crossed this time round. As far as Amit Shah is concerned, he hopes that the victory margin will be larger than 5,000. As far as Amit Shah is concerned, and he set a target of 10,000.
आपने सब आज मंगल या कानो रोड छोड़ो गांधीनगर लोकसभा नो आपने
We will show you those images and ask Ajay, my camera person, to come along with me. Images of the Home Minister as he begins on his campaign trail. He's of course campaigned across the country. He has been traveling to Karnataka, to the northeast, to Manipur, to of course other parts of the country, including Tamil Nadu as well, when the BJP hopes to open its account in this 2024 Lok Sabha elections. And now he is in his constituency, hoping ways of support for him. This is a very prestigious Lok Sabha constituency. As far as the BJP is concerned, Atal Bihari Vajpayee has represented this constituency. Represented this constituency in the past, and he had rallied before that till 2019 when Amit Shah was in fact announced as the candidate for the Lok Sabha elections. This time round as well in 2024, they're hoping that BJP will in fact ensure a massive run for the party. 26 out of 26 Lok Sabha seats in Gujarat. Sneha, back to you.
All right. Paulami getting in those details. There's some amount of chaos there as the Home Minister embarks on a roadshow. And the son of the Home Minister, Jay Shah, also in fact son of the Home Minister there, along with the Home Minister and taking part in that roadshow. Paulami, in fact, is back with us, and these are pictures, in fact, coming in from Ahmedabad, where Paulami is right now. Huge crowds there that have gathered to, in fact, see one of the star campaigners here, one of the star campaigners of the Bharatiya Janata Party, who himself is contesting elections from the state of Gujarat. Paulami.
रस्मी साइड में हर बच्चा लोग को आगे आई जाए तमाम लोग को आगे आई जाए
hear you very clearly because of the loudspeaker and the announcements that have been made over here. Huge crowds that have gathered over here in support of Amit Shah, and they're obviously not making way for the truck to move. They're gathering right at the start of the truck, in the front of the truck, in order to catch a glimpse of the Home Minister who's campaigning in his constituency. So right now the truck has just started moving finally when the people have been asked to proceed forward because he has a long day ahead of him in terms of campaigning. He will be campaigning through at least 6 of the 7 assembly segments that form part of the Gandhinagar Lok Sabha constituency. And right now he started from Sanand in Ahmedabad, where he is at the moment. And he will be proceeding forward. I'll ask Ajay, my camera person, to keep proceeding forward with us. He will be moving forward, in fact, towards Gandhinagar as well. He crisscrossed all the towns of the capital city of Gandhinagar and Ahmedabad. He will end the day in Vejalpur in Ahmedabad, where he will be, of course, holding a Jan Sabha, a public meeting, so a day-long campaign in order to meet with the voters of Gandhinagar. And see that from here, the BJP believes, Sneha, that there is no contest as far as Gandhinagar is concerned, and even for that matter, as far as Gujarat is concerned, with the BJP swept to power in the 2022 assembly elections. They ensured that the Congress, which earlier was in power in the state of Gujarat, was completely decimated. Aam Aadmi Party, of course, has been trying to make inroads in Gujarat, but the BJP constituency party cadres that I've been speaking with, that they will even lose that deposit here in Ahmedabad. As you know, the Aam Aadmi Party very recently, Sneha, announced its list of 40 star campaigners for Gujarat. Very interestingly, it had the name, of course, of jailed Delhi Chief Minister, and jailed Minister Manish Sisodia, but it also had the name of Sonia constituencies from where Aam Aadmi Party has announced candidates. That includes Bharuch and Bhavnagar. While, of course, there is a lot of talk about the contest in Bharuch and Chaitra Wasawa being a candidate who's giving a tough competition to the BJP from Bharuch. Over here, locally, that I've been speaking with people, they tell me that Bhavnagar is going to be a bit of a challenge for the Bharatiya Janata Party, from where Umesh Agwana has been the local MLA from the area, has been fielded by the AAP in the MP elections. So they believe that it will be a contest in Bhavnagar. But as far as the Congress campaign is concerned, of course, we have been going through, since we landed here yesterday in Ahmedabad and reached Gandhinagar as well. As we crisscross through these twin cities, these are cities, urban centers that always vote for the Bharatiya Janata Party in Gujarat. It's the rural parts of Gujarat that always pose the challenge. Saurashtra, Bhuj, Kutch, they pose the challenge for the Bharatiya Janata Party. But even in these parts, Neha, as I've been travelling, there's no sign of a fight which is being given here by the Congress Party. Many believe, for instance, when it comes to Rajkot, where Parshottam Rupala, after he made that statement against the Kshatriya community, immediately faced stiff competition from the Kshatriya community, stiff objection and opposition from the Kshatriya community. He had to come out and apologize. Many believe that the Congress would swoop down on this opportunity and then, of course, capture the sentiment on the ground in Rajkot and pose a challenge to Parshottam Rupala and the BJP. That didn't happen until a few days ago when they decided to field Paresh Dhanani from Rajkot. And their campaign has not been aggressive per se, because the Congress is calculating that they don't want to, because Mr. Dhanani himself is a Patel and he comes from the Patidar community. And because Parshottam Rupala comes from the Patidar community, they believe that if, of course, the BJP takes this tough stand, the Patidar community will consolidate behind Parshottam Rupala, saying our man can't be, in a sense, a man cannot be objected to in this manner. So the Congress is going all guns blazing on the Kshatriya issue, Kshatriya support issue, has decided that they're going to try and play a non-aggressive campaign, but they'll try to group both the Patidars and the Kshatriyas, and they're hoping that will pay dividends as far as...
Paulami, I'll just come back to you in a moment from now. As Paulami continues to track the roadshow of the Home Minister right now, who is in fact in Ahmedabad. It's a 2-day visit, remember, along with his family members. Jay Shah, he is in fact holding a roadshow. Pictures of which you see on your screens right now. The roadshow is going to in fact culminate in a massive public gathering as well. This in Vejalpur, where the Home Minister is expected to gather to address his gathered supporters and outline his vision if re-elected. Importantly, and we'll go back to Paulami for more on that, the roadshow routes are planned to cover landmarks in populous areas, ensuring maximum visibility and engagement. After all, the Home Minister is the star campaigner of the Bharatiya Janata Party, who is contesting elections here as well. He is also going to be filing his nomination on Friday, is what we know. The BJP today kicking off the Home Minister's mega roadshow. It has in fact started already from Sanat, and right now he is in Ahmedabad. Grand roadshows, public meetings. The state chief of the Bharatiya Janata Party also is filing his nomination papers, C.R. Patil, on the 18th of April, today. The Home Minister himself, contesting from Gandhinagar, is also going to be filing for his nominations. This essentially is for the second phase of polling. The roadshow is being held for the same. Campaign mode. The Home Minister is on campaign mode, and these are pictures of him holding a mega roadshow in Ahmedabad.